Hey everyone, okay, so today is the best setting sprays. Now, setting sprays are a very strange category because they prolong the look of makeup, but there is some major drawbacks with setting sprays, and I've done a video on it which will be released at the beginning of next year because there is a really big myth about setting sprays and a lot of people are struggling with them, but these are the best ones so far. So let's start probably with the best one. Now, this is Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. It is amazing. The longevity of this is incredible. It's got fragrance, it stinks, but it works. Second of all is Huda Resting Boss Face. Same comments, it really sets, but it stinks. Way too much fragrance in both of those. There's absolutely no need for it. There really isn't. If you want fragrance, you can buy a perfume. You don't need to spray it all over your face. The Makeup Priming Spray by Skindinavia, absolutely spot on and smashing. Cover FX Illuminating Spray, great for drier skin tones or those of you who want to have more of a dewy finish. Ironically, most setting sprays add a dewy finish anyway. Redew, which is a set and refresh spray by Beauty Blender, is a very, very good one. Not a setting spray, but absolutely delicious. Iconic Prep Set and Glow. This gives a really luminous look to the skin. I tend to section off the face like this and then spray around the perimeters because it's a little bit too luminous. Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray by, oh, it's bright in here. This is by Hourglass, and it features the best of all in terms of the applicator. The applicator, I'm set, is absolutely brilliant. Mist and Fix 202 by Makeup Forever is really, really good. This is a great one by NYX, Radiant Finish Setting Spray. A budget version, but still really, really good. And of course, the Primer Plus Hydrating Spray, which is the Bobbi Brown one. And that's an excellent one also. That's my favorite setting sprays. That is it. That's it. All the information right down there. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.